My channel admirable Nandini art and craft. So today I am back with one more tutorial for you all guys. So today in my new video I will show you how to make easy DIY new year greeting card. And as you know that new year is on the upcoming head, so I thought an idea to share some beautiful ideas for new year. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting it's my humble request that guys who didn't subscribe my channel yet, please go click the red color button and hit the bell icon, and please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends and relatives, must. So let's start with the procedure and do it quickly. Now for making the greeting card, I have taken here A4 size cardstock of blue color, means the measure of this paper is 28 by 20 centimeter. And now take here a piece of drawing sheet and just fold the paper into half like this, like this. Now we're gonna make here a shape of a heart on the paper. Now just cut the shape. Now I have cutted the heart shape. Now we're gonna trace it over the card. So just trace it using your pencil clearly and just follow the steps. So see, I have traced it. Now we're gonna cut the heart shape. So I am taking here cutter, or you can use scissor too. So I'm not just cutting it. And make sure that you don't cut the whole heart, because you are required here and it will be the design for your greeting. So you just do similarly. So it will look like this when you will cut the design, like this. Now take back your white color heart and just take your pencil and just trace smaller heart inside the bigger one and just cut it. Now similarly take another heart smaller than this white one, means you're required here with two hearts with different sizes. And now just add glue or Fevicol to the back of the heart and stick in the center. Similarly stick this one again. Make the roses for our card to decorate. So take here a square paper and just trim its edges circularly like this. So now take here designer scissor and now just cut it like this as I am showing to you in the zigzag manner. Like this. Now take here a quilling stick or quilling tool and now just roll it like this. So now And now just remove it from the stick and loosen it in your fingers and stick the bottom and stick the rose to the bottom like this. Now let's make some leaves for the card. So just take here a green color paper and just fold it into half, and take here a pencil and just draw here a leaf shape and cut it using scissors. Now I have cutted your leaf shape. Now take here and just fold into half, and just using your fingers just you fold it in the zigzag manner like this, means you have to squeeze it. And now just take your scissor and just trim it in the curve shape like this. So the leaf is ready. So now let's decorate the inside part. So now for inside, you take here 1/2 A4 size drawing sheet, means you have to cut it into half and just stick it using glue. And now just stick it inside the card like this. Now take here one heart shape cut out, and take here a black color marker and just trace the shape like this. Now I have darkened its boundary. Now just give it a look of balloon and now I have taken here a long strip and just sticking it adding glue and just flap it over the card inside it and just stick it in the bottom. Now again take here a black marker and just I'm writing here on Happy New Year wish. Now take back your roses and just add glue and just stick them. So this is done now. Now take here a bow, ribbon bow, and double-sided foam tape. Now just stick it in the center and just remove its yellow color layer and just you stick the bow like this. Now just take some stones or crystals and just stick like this. And so the card is done. See how it will look. So I hope you all guys like the video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And may this year brings all happiness in your life. So just try the tutorial once and share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you, and like, share and subscribe to my channel.